Sarah Jeanne. Today, I'll be providing you with tips and news to improve your housing situations. TOLA strives to teach you best practices for better housing, which consist of your housing rights, responsibilities, and available resources. Keep in mind this is not legal advice and strictly for informational purposes only. Before we get started with our TOLA tips today, I want to address a very important topic with you: fair housing. And this is something that I truly believe we all deserve. According to Home Housing Opportunities Made Equal, fair housing is the right of all residents of this country to live where the heart desires and the means permit. Where we live has an impact on every aspect of our lives, from access to employment to education for our children. When segments of the population are denied housing opportunities, they are also denied equal access to schools, public transportation, areas of businesses, and other services. In effect, it is denying victims of discrimination an equal opportunity in life. The Fair Housing Act of 1968 and its subsequent amendments, as well as certain state and local laws, protect people from being discriminated against based on race, color, sex, disability, religion or creed, familial status, national origin, age, military status, marital status, sexual orientation, gender identity and expression, and lawful source of income. If you have any additional questions on this, please reach out to us. Today's tips will focus on safety. In any living situation, safety is important. TOLA tip number 1. It's important that you test your smoke and carbon monoxide detectors quarterly and change the batteries as needed. TOLA tip number 2. Sexual harassment is prohibited and in fact is not allowed under federal law or the Fair Housing Act. If you are experiencing this by your landlord, manager, housing workers, etc., please contact the Department of Housing and Urban Development at 1-800-669-9777. TOLA tip number 3. Domestic abuse is never okay. Please do not suffer in silence. There are resources out there to help, such as the Buffalo and Erie County Crisis Service Hotline at 716-834-3131, and they're open 24 hours a day. All right, that's it for your tips today. So if you wish to learn more, please make sure you subscribe right here and like our TOLA Standards Facebook page. Next up is the news. With June rent due, more landlords and tenants are feeling the financial strain. The rent strike is a national movement, and much is still unknown about the current rent freeze and how it relates to evictions. According to the CNET, laws vary from state to state and even city to city. If you go to donotpay.com, there is a new tool related to the coronavirus that they claim will help figure out which laws apply to you. Nolo.com is also a solid website to research laws. And it's important, if you qualify for Section 8 housing or live where your property is receiving those federal funds, you'll be protected until July 25th at least by the CARES Act. Lastly, having a positive relationship with your landlord or tenant might help, and working out those personal arrangements by yourself is much better than involving the law. Thank you so much for tuning in again. Please make sure you subscribe and go like our TOLA Standards Facebook page. I hope to see you again and tune in for some more videos coming up.